Removing the door card on a Renault Kangoo is really easy to do, and in this step-by-step guide I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. Start by popping out the window controls. This pops out from the back with a screwdriver really easily. And hidden behind it is a torque screw. Then in the top corner there is a blanking cap. This can be removed to expose another screw. Then where the door handle is, if you just follow it down, you will see a little notch at the bottom where you can get a screwdriver in just to pop the cover off. That exposes 2 more screws. Then up to the door handle. There's a little cap at the back. You just get a little pick tool to pop that out, like the one seen here. And this will expose another torque screw. And then for good measure, there's 1 torque screw right at the bottom that you can see here. And now with a little force, it will pop off the studs that retain the remainder of the door panel. Just be aware of the door opening mechanism. This just pops off the back of the door panel when it moves forward. You can see it here. And here is a picture of all the tools that I use to remove this door panel. You won't need many tools at all. So, as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. This has been how to fix it. And if you want to watch some more videos, why not check these out? And we'll see you over there right now.